Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new look for you guys. It's this one right here that I wore for an event last Thursday, I believe so. And I got so many requests and a lot of you guys liked it. I loved it too, so I decided to go ahead and do this video for you guys. I hope that you guys like it. I used some really affordable eyeshadow palettes actually that I got sent to by this company. It's called Ditto Cosmetics, and they're really awesome and super affordable. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in just 1 second. Alright guys, so I already have my eyebrows and my eyelids are already primed. I just used a concealer and I set it with some powder, but I did get sent these palettes by the company Ditto, and they're super cute. They look like this. This one is the one that I mainly used for this look, that I'm going to be using for this look. But I also used a couple shades from this one here. Look how beautiful those colors are, you guys. So pretty. This is the Galaxy Shade palette, and this is the Shiny Sun palette. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. Alright, so the first color that I am going to be using is going to be from the Shiny Sun palette, and it's the color Solar Wind. And it's just this pretty light brown color. So I'm just going to be applying that to my crease as a blending color, and I'm just going to use windshield wiper motions. I haven't used that word in forever, but yeah, just swiping it back and forth, and I'm also going to concentrate it right here in this outer corner and just very lightly apply it and blend it out. The kids are napping right now, so I'm really hoping that they don't wake up in the middle of this video. Alright, so after that I'm going to be taking the color Stella, and it's just this really pretty like maroon shade, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid. I'm just going to be using a shader brush for that. I'm going to be just applying it right onto the lid. This doesn't have to be like super perfect because we're going to go in and blend it out, but I just want to pack the color first. Okay, so like I told you, this little guy woke up. So we're just gonna have him in the video because I gotta keep going. The next color I'm going to be using is the color Neutron, and I don't know, it's just like this really pretty like orangey brown color that I love. So I'm just going to use that on the same fluffy brush that I used before, and I'm just going to start blending out this color here. Grabbing a little clean brush, I am going to start blending this all out. Okay, and next what I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of that Stella color right underneath my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm going to take just a little bit of that Neutron color, and just to help it blend out a little more. I'm going to be applying a little bit of this sort of like off-white color, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. Alright, so now for the fun part, I'm going to be using this color here that it's called Comet. It's called Comet Shower, and it's like a pressed glitter. When I did this look, I did not use a glitter glue. I kind of just used my finger, but it was a little bit messy, so I think I want to use a little bit of glue this time. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna do it exactly how I did it last time, and I'm just gonna grab my finger and apply it onto my lid. So I just have a little bit on the finger, and I'm gonna be applying that to my lid. Can you get out my frame, boy? Thank you. Alright, so the next thing I did is just apply a little bit of a champagne color to my inner corner, just for a little bit of highlight. So now I'm just going to add some lashes. These are just some old lashes that I got from Marshall's a while ago. Yeah, I'm just going to place those in there. I don't have the same ones that I wore the time that I did this makeup look, because they actually got ruined. Don't ask me why, because I'm pretty sad about it. And to finish up this look, I'm going to be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm going to be using this color right here to just bronze my face a little bit. Just going to go ahead and apply that right on the hollows of my cheeks. And for blush, I'm going to be using a really pretty coral color. This is Peaches by MAC. And just apply a tiny bit right on top of my cheekbones. Nothing too crazy, but just to give it a little bit of color, you know. And for the fun part, I'm going to be adding a little bit of highlight. I'm going to be using this Physicians Formula Natural Nude like shimmering strips highlighter. And the last thing that I'm going to do for my face is just go ahead and set it. I'm going to be using this Rose Water by Skin Labs that I used on my previous video as well. And I'm just going to be spraying that all over. I went ahead and finished off this look, you guys, by adding a little bit of lipstick. I used the Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the color Desire, which is definitely one of my favorites to use with any look. Along with that, I used the Motives lip crayon in the color Pecan, whatever, however you want to say it. But yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I don't know how I feel about the lashes, but other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You know, I just realized that I feel like I look like one of those, like, you know, the Chinese cooks that be cooking, like, your, hibachi and stuff. I went ahead and finished up the looks I went ahead. Quiet! Second, I used the Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Kissable liquid lipstick. Jesus!